Hey guys, Darren Tryon here. I just got a package from Xero Shoes. Let's get into it. Yo. Get out of here. Okay. Ooh, alright. Alright, so what we got here is the Prio Suede. Oh, snap. That looks fantastic. Completely zero drop sole. Wide toe box. I got a feeling this is going to be the perfect skate shoe. And right here we got the Denver leather. Oh, yo. This boot is so clean. It'll go with everything. All black, full grain leather, zero drop, wide toe box, and look at that flannel lining, dog. Sick. Well, we gotta try them on. So comfy. It's almost like a sock-like fit on my foot. But at the same time, you can tell it's gonna be way thicker and better for my feet than trying to skate in my soft stars. Kickflip time. Ten out of 10. Would recommend. Xero Shoes. Alright, back in the house. You know we gotta try out these Denvers. These are so sick. That flannel lining is super comfy. The look is super clean. Would go with every outfit, and they feel amazing on my feet. These right here can be my next winter boots for like the next 10 years. Thanks, Xero Shoes. You guys rock.